Welcome to Books for Success. Today's video is about the fantastic book Playing to Win: How Strategy Really Works by Roger Martin. Hey, have you ever wondered how big companies decide what products to launch or what markets to enter? I read this cool book, Playing to Win, which gives an insider's look into everything. The basics. What's strategy? First, let's talk about what strategy really means. It's not just a fancy word that business people throw around. At its core, strategy is about making choices. It's about deciding where to play and how to win. Imagine you're playing chess. You don't just move your pieces randomly, right? You make calculated moves, thinking several steps ahead. That's strategy. The authors know their stuff. So, the authors, A.G. Lafley and Roger L. Martin, aren't just random dudes writing about this. Lafley was the CEO of Procter Gamble, the company behind brands like Tide and Gillette. Martin, on the other hand, is a super smart academic. Together, they present these concepts using real-world examples from P&G's journey. The big framework: 5 essential questions. Alright, so the meat of the book revolves around 5 key questions. These aren't just any questions. They're the ones businesses need to answer to build a winning strategy. What's our winning aspiration? This is like setting the North Star. It's about defining where the company wants to go and what success looks like. Like, do we want to be the best sports shoe brand for runners? Where will we play? This is about choosing the battleground. Should the company target urban youngsters, professional athletes, or casual gym-goers? Should they sell online, in big malls, or in specialty stores? How will we win? Once you've chosen the battleground, how do you become the best there? It could be by having the most innovative designs, the cheapest prices, or the best customer service. What capabilities must be in place? Think of this as packing for a trip. If you're hiking up a mountain, you'll need different gear compared to a beach trip. Similarly, companies need specific skills and assets to execute their strategy. What management systems are required? This is like the company's playbook. How will they keep track of progress? How will they know if they're winning or losing? It's all about setting up systems to ensure everything's on track. Real-world stories. The beauty of this book is that it's not just theory. They share insider stories from Procter & Gamble, showing how these strategies were applied in real-life situations. Remember the Oil of Olay brand? They talk about its transformation into the global Olay brand. They also discuss how P&G decided to enter the world of perfumes. These stories make everything so much more relatable and understandable. Strategy isn't static. One key point they make is that strategy isn't something you set and forget. It's a dynamic thing. The world changes, competitors make moves, and new technologies emerge. Companies need to be agile, ready to adapt their strategy when needed. To wrap it up, Playing to Win is like a behind-the-scenes tour of how big business decisions are made. It's about making intentional choices, being clear on where to compete, and how to emerge as winners. So, if you ever think about diving into the world of business or even making better life decisions, this book is a fantastic guide. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hungry for more wisdom and want to support our channel and the remarkable authors we feature, subscribe and check out the links in the description. Your support not only helps us grow but also supports the authors who have dedicated their time to creating these life-changing works. Thanks for watching.